guys, oh my gosh, nakita niyo ba yun? Hindi to condo ha. This is a 4-story residences or 4-story townhomes. Alam niyo kung saan location? Sa Manila lang naman. Sa napakagandang San Juan, Manila na alam niyo naman ang community dito, di ba? High-end community. At alam niyo ba yung 4-story townhomes na yan, may option ka kung ang i-avail mo yung with elevator or without elevator. O dito guys, ikot ko kayo ng konti para makita niyo lang yung community. Bawal ditong mag-walk-in, bawal ditong basta pumasok. Very strict po ang security dito. Pag magpapaschedule ka kay broker Nicole ng iyong tripping, kailangan at least 1 to 2 days before. Okay guys? At syempre, car garage. 3 to 4 car garage or additional up to 5 to 7. Kung marami kang sasakyan, tapos ang gagawin mo dito, pwede kang bumili ng car lift. Kasi intentional na talagang mataas yung mga ceiling natin. Hey, I like this design. Ano pa to? Ongoing pa to, hindi to yung ating dress up. Wala tayong dress up naman. Kasi pa rin naman. Yan. Diba? No? Wow, townhouse. Pero dito pa lang. Oh. Pwede itong maging helper's room kasi may sarili siyang toilet and shower. Tignan nyo lang dyan guys sa gilid. Akalain mo yun, no? Meron ka dito, meron pa lang sa Manila, pwede ka pa lang makabili dito ng less than 50 million or nasa 50 million na 4-story townhomes, residence with or without elevator. Tapos ganito pa kalaki yung sa likod mo. Dito yung gagawin na yung service area, laundry area. Tapos, dahil open yan, pwede kang magpalagay dyan ng electric fence. Yung sa pinakataas. Pero sobrang taas na ng ceiling, no? Pero sige lang, for added security, you can do that. Okay? So, ito yung example nung may lift. So, pag may lift, yung bahay mo, may ganito siya. Diba? Kasi nga, 4-story siya. Storage room, yan. I think this one is still ongoing, no? So, I'm not sure how far we can get inside, pero let's just try and see. I like the design nito, yung mga stairs, ventilated windows nila. Ay, ang luwag talaga ng mga stairs dito, guys, sa San Juan, Manila. Napakaganda. Siyempre, no, floor and lot area. Tatanungin mo yan eh. So, ano ba ang floor and lot area? Ayan, showing on the screen, guys. Alam mo, ano mo ako, personal opinion ko dito. Para siyang commercial building, pero wow, residential house and lot mo naman siya. Pero yung the way na, kasi di ba location pa lang eh, sa Manila, San Juan. Tapos, ganito kaganda, ganito kalaki. Di ba? Yung design ng kanyang mga glass window and doors, tinan mo dito, di ba? Oh, house and lot ba yan? Mukha siyang commercial. Di ba? So, siya talaga, very commercial. Tapos, so dito yung pwede mong gawin living and dining kasi meron tayo dito ang kitchen. Sobrang laki lang naman. Sobrang laki lang naman ang ating kitchen area. At ang ating toilet and shower, syempre, meron tayo dito. Another toilet and shower on that side. Nasa second floor pa lang tayo pero before we move on, yung ating number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, ayan, showing on the screen yung mga details pa nung mismong unit, di ba? Yung mga technical details, ayan siya guys. Alright? Third floor tayo. Don't worry, meron naman tayong lift, meron namang units na merong lift kung mas preferred mo yun, di ba? Dahil nga, napakalaki ng ating bahay. Ayan, bedroom. So, dahil ito, nakikita ko isa sa pinakamalaki dito na room, so master's bedroom na may sariling walk-in closet and toilet and shower. Napakalaki. Sobrang spacious ng iyong walk-in closet and toilet and shower. Another bedroom na meron naman siyang veranda dito, isang bedroom na to. At iyan ay may malaki ring toilet and shower. So ito, di ba pinakita ko sa inyo yung lift kanina. So dito siya, punta sa third floor, mag-lift ka. So dito yung next mo. Then, last but not the least, the final floor. Para talaga siyang commercial building. Pero baka kayo lang sa Manila. Wow, ang ganda ng view. Okay. Sige. Tignan nyo dito guys. Tignan nyo lang yung view dito sa fourth floor rin. At ito na nga. So galing ka sa first floor, tinatamad kang mag-stairs. Sabi mo, naka 10,000 steps na ako today, mag-elevator na lang ako sa bahay ko. Sige, mag-elevator ka. Ayan. Dito yung labas ng elevator mo. Tapos, another big room na naman dito. Na, syempre, parang madami kang pwedeng maging master's bedroom. Kasi tingnan mo, diba katulad ko sa third floor, ganito rin siya malaki. Ayan ito yung neighborhood. Just look at your neighborhood. Yung iyong mga kapitbahay dyan. Kita mo ba kung gaano ka-elegant yung design ng inyong mga four-story residences dito? Ayan. In fairness, ano kayo? Yung kanyang walk-in closet dito, guys. Walk-in closet and very spacious, diba? At gusto ko yung color combination, yung design, very elegant, very minimalist, pati yung mga tiles na pinili nila. So this one, a little bit smaller, pero may space din for the closet and your own toilet and shower. At may malaki ka pa rin window dito, kaya may natural light ka pa rin na pumapasok. Yan. So yan guys, yung ating toilet and shower. Wow. Wala akong masabi. San Juan Townhouse. Meron pala, di ba, common misconception, naku, hindi na ako makabili ng house and that sa Manila, ay hindi ko naman afford yung mga 100 million na lote pa lang sa mga exclusive community. Well, kaya mo na. Dahil kung meron kang 50 million, pasok na yan sa budget mo para dito sa San Juan Townhouse. Di ba guys? 4-story na siya. Kung meron kang sasakyan na 4 o higit pa, pwede, sarili mong parking, di ba? Lalo na yung mga hindi talaga, mas gusto talaga nila house and lot, yung talagang TCT, to Transfer Certificate of Title, yung panghahawakan nila, hindi basta condominium certificate of title, mas gusto talaga nila bahay at lupa, hindi yung condominium. So kung bahay at lupa ang hanap mo, ito sa San Juan, Manila, napakaganda ng location, ang ganda, exclusive ang community, very safe, at nakita niyo naman guys, di ba, yung quality ng materials, yung bahay mismo, yung unit mismo natin dito, napakaganda. Ayan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, parang sa unang tingin, parang ano ba to, commercial building, tas house and lot mo pala, no? San Juan, nakita niyo naman guys, ang ating sample competition showing on the screen, ayan. Masasabi ko na very affordable pa rin yan, kasi location-wise panalong-panalo ka na sa location. At yung price na yan, may mga condo ako na 2 bedrooms or penthouse na pag mga penthouse, malalaki sila yung floor nila, pero it's a condo, at least ito house and lot na siya, di ba? At marami kang parking space. Yun yung kung marami ka talagang sasakyan, di ba? So, parang sabi mo, you're watching this and you really like this project, pero that kind of prices, sino ba yung mga makaka-afford niyan? Marami, you know, like Filipinos abroad or even here, yung mga nagbe-business, ganyan. They can because actually 50 million for a house and that na ganito kaganda at ka-prime yung location. That's very, masasabi mo, value for money, di ba? Kanina naman yung sample competition, very affordable. At tatandaan mo kanina, kaya sabi ko kanina, strictly no walk-ins. You have to contact my Viber WhatsApp directly at least 1 to 2 days before for an exclusive viewing appointment. At for online presentation, ganun din yung gagawin nyo. Kontakin nyo ka directly Viber WhatsApp. If you are more comfortable using Messenger, that's my Messenger. My blue check yan, verify na, so you know that I'm the one you are chatting or talking with. So you just have to contact me and mention San Juan. So, San Juan Townhouse yung keyword natin dito. Okay, so that's what you need to remember guys, okay? And for other details pa, you just really have to contact me directly guys. Because I am your broker in the Philippines. Hindi lang Quezon City, Manila, Bulacan, Laguna, at Pampanga ang hawak natin. Kundi almost all projects you can think of from the mid-range to the high-end. Guys, you just have to contact me, Nicole. Okay? That's all you need to know, guys. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.